The legal troubles for Eric Reinbold of rural Oklee, Minnesota just keep mounting. Reinbold is the man charged with hiding explosives at a hunting cabin in that area last month. First, a little background. We have more details surrounding the arrest of 41-year-old Eric Reinbold for allegedly hiding explosives in northwestern Minnesota. Reinbold of rural Oklee has been formally charged with felony possession of explosives. The charge carries a maximum sentence of 10 years in prison. According to court documents, just over a week ago, a property owner discovered a container on their land where a hunting shack is located northwest of Oklee. Inside the container, 2 pounds of rifle powder, 6 steel pipes, some with end caps and wires attached to 9-volt batteries, a kitchen timer, a bag of 9-volt batteries and toggle switches. Plus, authorities found a receipt to Eric Reinbold for the purchase of fuses found in the container. However, it's still unclear what may have been planned for the use of the explosives. Court documents indicate that during the investigation, Reinbold contacted a family member by text and voicemail, telling them to get the cops off the property because there is nothing there that can hurt anyone. Reinbold also asked the family member if cops had found an old gun buried on the property. Back in 2015, Reinbold was convicted on an assault charge stemming from a domestic situation in which he repeatedly rammed his wife's car with his vehicle. Part of his sentence at that time was a psychological examination and treatment. Then, following his court appearance for the latest charge of possession of explosives, Reinbold posted $15,000 cash bail and was released from jail until earlier this month when authorities conducted a search of his home as part of his probation for the 2015 incident. Authorities found materials in the home that were in violation of his probation terms, and another warrant was issued for his arrest. Reinbold fled and was arrested in Kansas. He was returned to Minnesota. Last week, his bond was set at $2 million, or $200,000 cash. And now this week, a judge has revoked probation for the 2015 incident. It all makes it just about a given that Reinbold will remain behind bars, at least for now. Meanwhile, I haven't been able to get a response from local prosecutors on whether this case could move into federal court, where penalties could potentially be much tougher. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.